तो इस साल का पीडब्ल्यू एनसैट आ गया है, इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम। उन तो इस साल का पीडब्ल्यू एनसैट आ गया है, इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम। तो इस साल का पीडब्ल्यू एनसैट आ गया है, इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम। तो
हेलो हेलो 1 2 3 4 हेलो हेलो 1 2 3 4 हेलो हेलो 1 2 3 4 हेलो हेलो So we will see basic DSA questions 1 2 3 4 on Gigs for Gigs. Hello hello and other websites. So we will see basic DSA questions 1 2 3 4 on Gigs for Gigs. Hello hello and other websites. So we will see basic We have given a sorted array and the integer k. Find the position 0 bit indexing at which k is present in the array. So it's already given that we have to use the binary search. So let's see for array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the k is 4. So that is the target element is 4. So the array is sorted. We have to find its the uh, index of the target element. So here index is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the output will be 3. Here the key is 445, but it is not present in the array. So the output will be -1. So similarly for this question also, here k is 1, but k is present for multiple times. So output is given 0. 1 appears as index 0. Okay. So it has to find the first index if the array is duplicate. Okay. Hmm. So let's see how binary search works. So the sorted array is given. So sorted array is given, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have and the target element, that is key, is given something. So we have to find, for example, if it is given 2, so we have to search through the array and find the index of the target element. That is here the first index is 0, second index start with in array, index start with 0. The first index is 1, the second index is 1, the third index is 2, and third index is the fourth. This is the third index. This element has index 3. So index of the 2 is 3. So output will be 3. Okay. So let's see how will the code for this will look like. So we first make a while loop. While we define left is equal to index 0 and right is equal to length -1. So we define a loop from until left, starting from left and till the right. All right. So we calculate each time mid of the array, that is right minus right minus left divided by 2. This will calculate the mid. Then if current element, if array mid is equal to the mid element is itself is equal to the target element, then we return the mid. Else if array of mid is less than k, so if it is less than the mid is less than k, then we move the left index to the uh, to the right, to the mid plus 1. So mid plus 1. Then else we move the right, that is when the k is greater, then we will move right is equal to left, sorry, mid minus 1. That is when the element, the mid, is greater than k, then we will uh, define the right, make the right element as mid minus 1. Mid minus 1. So finally, we will return n mid. No, we will return minus 1 because here we already return mid if we find the element. If there is no element found, we will return 1. Okay, let's check if this code works. Anti left is equal to 0, anti right is equal to array dot length minus 1. So while left is less than right, so left is, we calculate the mid, that is left plus right right minus left divided by 2. Then if array mid is equal to k, return mid. If array mid is less than k, so k mid is equal to, so the array it is less than k, so left will be mid plus 1 and else uh, uh, right is equal to mid minus 1. Then after that we will return minus 1. I think this will fail for the duplicate elements. Will it? Mm. So here for this test it's failing. Let's see. So as I said, it's a failing for the duplicate elements. We have to find 3. K is equal to 3, but 3 we find it at 8, but we have to find the first occurrence of it. So how do we do it? Let's ask the chat GPT. We'll copy the question and then paste it into the chat GPT. So here result is okay. Okay, this is good. Result is good. Made high is good. Okay, we are not directly returning the result here. We are storing it in a result. Then we are doing high is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, keep searching left for smaller index. Okay, so we will keep searching left for smaller index. Okay, then so we have to create a new variable int result is equal to 0. No, sorry, -1. Here we will be returning this result. Then uh, so here we will be storing the after doing the if we will not direct return, we will just store in the mid. After storing in the mid, okay, I will copy this. Okay, I store it in the mid this array, and now right will be mid -1. Okay, now we try to compile it. Okay, we are done with this question. Let's get to the next question. We will solve it to this tree question. The next question we will solve it to this tree question. So let's see the question. Given a root of a binary, we have given the root of the binary tree. Check whether it is a BST or not. So binary search tree. I will give you an example. So let's see what is a binary search tree. We will create a new whiteboard. Why it's not clicking? Okay. Um, let's create a star black canvas. So let's see how the binary search tree. Let's say we are given an array. We are given an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, sorry, no, not this array. Let's see this array. 4, 5, 3, 9, 2, 1. So this array first, we pick the first element as the root of the array, root of the tree. Then we uh, go to the next element. We see that it is 5, which is greater than 4. So the element which are greater than 4 will be to the right, and element that are less than the 4 will be placed to the left of that node. So here we have 5, we will place it in the right as it is greater than the 4. Now we get 3, it is less than 4, it will be placed in 3. Now let's see, we have 9, which is greater than 4, and it also greater than 5, so we will place it to the right of the 5. Now we have 2, so 2 will be placed, if it's less than root, then it's also less than 3, so it will be placed to the left of the tree. Now we have 1. It's less than 4, less than 3, less than 2, and it's also less than 2. So it will be placed here. So this will be our BST binary search tree. So you will be noticing that the in order search of this tree will give you sorted order. Let's see how to find the in order traversal. Uh, this we put this arrows. So we'll be traveling from here. So we first get 1, we get 2, we get 3, we get 4, we get 4, 5, and now we get 9. So the sorted order, so if you traverse the binary search tree in as a in order traversal, we will get the sorted order of the elements. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So let's see, these are the properties of the binary search tree. Now let's see what the question says. So, given the root of binary tree, check whether it is a BST or not. We are considering a BST cannot contain duplicate nodes. A BST is defined as follows. The left subtree of the node contains only node with the keys less than node key, and the right subtree of the node contains only nodes with the greater than the nodes key. So, we have seen this. Both the left and right subtree must also be binary search tree. Okay. So, each subtree is a binary search tree. Let's see this. So, given the root of the cell whether BST or not. So, what it says, uh, we are considering that BST cannot contain duplicate nodes. So, okay, we will be considering the BST does not contain. Let's see our previous example, that is 4, 5, 3, then 2 and 1. So, the BST will be 4, 4, 5, then here 3, here 2, here 1. How will we find its binary search or tree? So we will start from the root. So we will go to the left, we will go to the right. After going to the left, if we check, we will check if it's less than 4. The left side must be less than, for each node, we will go to the left and also we go to the right. We will check if the left node is less than the root and if the right node is greater than the root. If ever this condition becomes false, that is any right element is less than the root or the left element is greater than the root, so we will say that the tree is not a BST, not a binary search tree. So let's see. Uh, so for traversal, tree traversal, what will be our code for tree traversing the tree? Uh, so, uh, so we have already given the, this is the first code. So already given code, that is boilerplate code, and this is the node of the tree where int is data, int left, and node right. So int while data while and left is equal right is equal to null. So Uh, let's check how the code, so let's think how this code will be. Mm, so I think code will be node left dot mm, so here we How do I think? I cannot think how this will be done. I don't know. So this, this. Let's say here we are here. I will go to the left. I will go to the right. I will go to the left. I will go to the right. I will go to the left. I will go to the right. So if node dot data is less, काय तुला कोण काय म्हणलं less than node माझी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम पाय माझी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम पाय पटकन राहू दे टाइमपास आहे माय so let's see if boolean is a bst is bst so I don't know how to answer this. I will copy this, paste it in the chat GPT. We'll get the answer. We'll get the answer. आणू इकडे आणू इकडे माझी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम पाहू दे मला ए भाई मोबाईल आण ना ते लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम पाहू दे ना तू पुरा लागला मैं एक और पर ओपन मी सांगतो ते सर्च कर विशान 7463 त्याच्यावर लाईव्ह बीजीएमआयची लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम करत जा ना पाय पूरी स्ट्रीम पाय माही लोडिंग होत आहे आलं का आलं का मम्मी काय म्हणते पाय आवाज वाढवून तिथे काढ. मम्मीचा आवाज आला ना. म्हणलं मी. Hello Genda, welcome to my live stream. The Genda is present here. Genda is present in our. Genda is present here. काय होत आहे? So return is valid BST root long dot mean value long dot max value. So if do not is equal to null, return true. If node dot data is less than mean and or node dot data is greater than false, return is valid BST node left mean node data and is valid node dot right node dot data max. No, greater than mean. Welcome to our channel. Genda, 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 genda. चालली कुठून आली? चालली कुठून आली? अरे, अरे, ठेवतो. चालली कुठून आली मग? चालली कुठून आली? चालली कुठून आली? मग काय माहित कसं? अरे, अरे, ठेवतो. चालली कुठून आली मग? मी शॉक मध्ये आहे. कौन है जो लाइव स्ट्रीम देख रहा है? बताओ जल्दी से. मी शॉक मध्ये आहे. अपने आप को रिवील करो. देखो गेंडा 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 ट्री 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 गेंडा 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 गेंडा. दूसरा व्यू कोणाचा? हम्म.
फेमस झाला आणि लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम काही बनत. फेमस झाला आणि लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम काही बनत.
एक्झिट कोण गेले माझी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम?
दुसरी व्हिडिओ बनवली.
कोण गेले माझी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम? व्ह्यू पाहिजेत मला.
दिसलाय कसं करून पाहू का?
हम्म.
तुला ते एक सबस्क्राईब बर झालं.
सबस्क्राईब नको करू दिले. नॅचरल सबस्क्रायबर होऊ दे. नाहीत.